Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by enabling Linux Beta in Chrome OS settings and allocate at least 10 GB of disk and 4 GB of RAM to the container for games. Confirm your Chromebook is a 64-bit model and enable GPU acceleration if the option appears. Integrated Intel or ARM GPUs vary in support. Open the Linux terminal and run apt update and apt upgrade so the container has current libraries and drivers. Reboot the container if prompted to ensure the environment is ready for Steam. Open the Linux terminal and install Steam with apt install Steam. Allow the client to download roughly 1 GB of runtime files. In Steam settings, enable Steam Play and select Proton 7. 0-5 for compatibility so BeamNG.drive will run. You can also enable Flatpak and Steam's beta if your container needs newer libraries. Ensure Crostini GPU support is turned on in experimental settings, or use a Chromebook with native Vulkan drivers to improve performance. Purchase BeamNG.drive on Steam and install it inside your Linux container. Plan for about 10 GB of disk space for game files and mods. In the game's properties, force the use of Proton 7. 0-5 and add launch options such as windowed or NavSync to reduce stuttering. Start with medium graphics and a 30 FPS target, reduce shadow distance and vehicle density for smoother play, and consider using an external controller, USB gamepad, or cloud streaming service if your Chromebook's hardware cannot maintain stable frame rates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.